Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Honestly, I'm still comfortable wearing a mask sometimes when I go into stores, and these are my favorite, my go-to. I like the black, not just because it matches my hair by any means, but I like the fact that it doesn't look so surgical. Maybe that's why I'm a fan. But these ones here, they're white and very soft on the inside, and black, you can see here, very, very nice. Not matte, but not shiny, very understated. But what my favorite part about these, so of course they do have that that little bending part to hug your nose, so make sure that you wear your mask properly. However, the size of these and the very feel of the straps nicely go around my ears. Now for me, I have a pretty wide face. Maybe it's just me, but I want to make sure that, yeah, my cheeks are covered. I have it up high enough. It comes below my chin, so it's very good. These ones are so comfortable and they do not hurt my ears. I always ever wear earrings all the time. So for such a comfortable mask that doesn't affect my earrings by any means, I absolutely think that's fantastic. And yes, you know what? Because it's disposable, sure, I will get a little bit of wear from, you know, my makeup or something too, because I'm not gonna stop wearing it altogether. But honestly, the comfort of these are so great, and I love how easy they are. And that's my point of view.